Shri Krishna friends, welcome to Ask This Astrology. Krishna is happiness, Krishna hi khushi hai, as I always say. And today we'll talk about the Capricorn sign, their horoscope for the month of May, and this is based on the moon sign. So before I start the video, please subscribe the channel, like it, comment it, keep supporting as you are doing. I am very much obliged for that. Please push the notification bell also, so you would get all my videos that I post time to time. If you have any queries, if you want to take consultations from me, my number keeps flashing in the video and it's always given in the description of the video below. You can contact me through the email also. If you want to study Vedic Jyotish in a very simple manner, in a spiritual manner, then also you can contact me for the course and for the course length and for the fee structure. So for the Capricorn sign people, this month of May is going to be good in so many ways, and then you have to restrict also yourself in some things, otherwise there can be some kind of problem. So like expenditure is seen this month, some kind of expenditures are already there for Capricorn sign people, but overall first I'd like to tell you, like, there are certain kind of problems that can come in the month of May, but I want to tell you that you will be steady, things will be stable. It's not that you will be uprooted or like lots of problems are going to come this month. See, some things or the other are there. I'm not denying it, but still you will be very stable. You will be full of confidence also for this month. You will be gaining some kind of strength also. So all the problems, if they are going to come to you, you will be tackling them very nicely. So as I have told you, there are going to be some kind of expenditure. There can be some kind of problem related to your family also. Maybe some kind of problem related to your brothers also. There can be problem related to your children also. But the main point is you have to control your anger this month. You have to first think before you speak, because you may sound rude at times with someone and it can create problem. Otherwise, with your life partner also, they'll be in full support of you. They'll be earning good also. They'll be doing good in their professions also. But again, you have to be very understanding with them, because sometimes you may again sound very rude or harsh or very impulsive on them, and things can go out of hand otherwise. If your mother was going sick, like, she'll find health this month, so again it is a very good thing. You will be having all the kind of good results from the property sector also. You may earn from property if you want to sell it. This is the time that you can get good money from property also. Your mother also will be doing very good, and if she is working, then she'll be having some kind of profits also. You can have some kind of problem related to your friends also, some relatives also. So there can be some kind of problems or anxieties, or things can be not that much stable at your home. And you yourself, actually, not physically you are going to be strong, but sometimes your mental state is not going to be very stable, very steady. So sometimes anxieties will be there, some kind of indecisiveness will be there. It is going to be there. But the main point is, the fruitful point for the Capricorn sign people is, like, you will be getting lot of support from your ability, your creativity, from mantra, from puja, from sadhana, from your spirituality. So you have to stick to that. Please honor your teachers, gurus, respect your authorities. If there was some kind of problem related to your authority, boss, or like some kind of problems or misunderstandings, or if they were not in favor of you, this month surely you will get a chance to settle the things with them, and they'll be in support of you. They'll be supporting you also at this time. You'll be creative. Your intelligence will be good, working good at this time. But again, maybe after 15th of May, there'll be some kind of like problems related to some kind of issues related to your finances, or maybe your children, or those kind of things. Or maybe whatever you are you will think or you will plan, that will not come out very right. So some kind of frustrations from that angle also can step in. But eventually you are going to get good money also, good support also. Any kind of like diseases and all those kind of things, problems, you will be able to keep them down this month. So from that angle also it is good, though you can't earn the profits you want to earn this time. Like because of that also some kind of frustrations will be there. Unexpected, you'll get some kind of jobs also this month. That can be because of your good luck also this month. So if you are expecting a job or new job or some kind of like business partnerships, those kind of things, you may find them also. But the only point is that you have to be very steady, you have to be balanced. You shouldn't actually sound very rude to anyone or self-centered also, or maybe you are not too much focused on your profits only. And please don't actually go with any of those sort of people who in just to make quick money. Like don't enter into any kind of wrong deeds to make quick money, because that is going to prove very wrong for you. And already some kind of fears and anxieties and indecisiveness is going on in your mind, so that is going to increase your problem if you are going to go into that area. Your life partner, as I have already told you, they will be in full support of you. If you are having any problem related to blood pressure and all those kind of things, you have to take care of that also. Some kind of mental tensions will be there, depressions or anxieties, or there can be some kind of stomach problems also. But this point is very sure, you are going to find some way to increase wealth, how to expand your business. You are going to think about that. But then you have to go on the tried and tested paths only. Don't try anything new. Don't do anything very adventurism. Don't try any adventurism at this time. So because that can go wrong at this time, and you can face losses otherwise. But this is very sure, your service, your business, they are going to go stable. They will be stable in whatever you are doing. There can be delay in marriages for the Capricorn sign people. If you are thinking to get married very soon, this month is not very good for that. Some delays are seen from that angle. And please don't be harsh on your father or your authorities or your boss, or maybe planning for the future, and things are not working at present and you get frustrated because of that. And some kind of money problems, all those kind of things, maybe with your brother and sisters also. So that can cause a little problem at this time. I know, like maybe the finances are not coming that well in the shape like as you are wanting it, but soon the things will be very good for you also. And you are having all the kind of support, comfort is there. The mental peace you have to find this month, that is very important. Health, I have told you, it's going to be good, it's going to be steady till the time you are not actually behaving indifferently, maybe not fighting with anyone, or you are not sounding harsh, or you have to look for your like speech, whatever you are talking with everyone, because that is going to create the major of problems this month. And some of the areas I have told you, they will like be good also. Like you'll find happiness in the home also, house also. Your mother, if they were not well, she's also going to find good health. There can be some problem related to your father, you have to look after them also. You will be interested in some kind of hidden knowledge also, secret knowledge also. You will find time to go deep into yourself also, to know things, how the things work. And you want to, maybe you want to know about God and spirituality or astrology, those kind of deep things you want to study. And then maybe you will not find the correct partners to work with. Like your whatever you are thinking, whatever your plannings are there, maybe they'll not set their foot out this month. So because of that also some kind of frustrations can come in for you. So these are all the sectors and things that you have to see. And if there was any kind of problem related to your service, your business, if there were some kind of problems going on with that thing, that will be solved. That is for sure. Don't go for any kind of stocks or shares, and don't gamble, and don't go into those kind of things, because they can create problem at this time. So be very stable, and please depend upon God, please depend upon spirituality, please do your mantra pujas, whatever you do, and please stay on your path, rightest path, because see, things are moving, things are good for the Capricorn sign people, but because of some transits in between this month, there can be some kind of problems or anxieties or maybe impulsiveness, or the point will just come in that you have to do something now. You have to do something very fast, and in that you can take wrong decisions, or maybe you'll fight with anyone, or you'll say something to someone. So from that angle the things can go bad. So you should actually move forward this month also, as but you have to be very disciplined, you have to be very nice and sober, you just have to collect yourself. Things are not going to go bad for you, the Capricorn sign people, this month. It is just many fears will be there, many frustrations will be there, and out of those things some problems can come out, and you'll hurt yourself physically also, as I have told you, blood pressures, or maybe anxieties or depression, or some kind of stomach problems, or that kind of things. And if you are having some kind of problems, please donate something to Brahmins this week, mainly fruits. If you can donate to Brahmins, it will be very good. And then please read Ram Raksha Strot this month. It is going to help you very much, and it is going to save you from any problems, and Krishna is always with you. Jai Shri Krishna.